So now let's see how we can go ahead and insert placeholder text inside of Corel Draw. So if I were to go around over here onto this particular text tool right here and click and drag it out right here, then you can see that this is what you have right here. You can see that I got a blank editing area. So if I were to go around and type in random text right here, it'll take me some time to write the text. But if you want to go ahead and then add in a sample text right here, you can go ahead and add in placeholder text as well. So to do that, you need to go around onto the text menu right here, just like this. And if I were to go around over here, and then if I were to click on insert placeholder text right here, then you can see that it fills it up with a sample text for the text area that it has right here. So you don't have to go ahead and manually type it in. If I were to go around onto text, you can see that as there is text already, you don't have the insert placeholder text option anymore. But you can go ahead and then erase this out, make it empty. And if I were to go around onto the text right here, you can go around and insert a placeholder text. And then again, it inserts out the placeholder text right here, just like this. And that is how you can insert out placeholder text inside of Corel Draw. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.